ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ban pensuk bat ban Pynbyrngia ya kinong Shangkai perthai ki bawan nabar kejela bat nabari ban len chiki jaka jengok kai jongkathan Sohra ka Shangkai harengkat bat ka Bhartiyas Vikas Trust haka arpunyatrik unai lur arasa apulai kla pelai tajba ya ke Saikil Circuit Services baningkong haklish nong Sohra. Ya kini kejengtemu jong ka Shangkai la kershan da ka Sohra Mandala Foundation bat ka Prime Sohra Mandala Rural Entrepreneurship Fellowship. Shen ka Shangkai ka sapli shu iki Saikil station haki babun ki jaka jong ka than Sohra. Dagini ki Saikil ki nong jongok kai perthai ki la ban shimwai ban lit Shangkil leng ka jaka jongok kai perthai ki bapau nam hak than Sohra borok away.
Meghalaya, all of us know, I keep saying this, is that tourism is probably the number one employment generator, growth generator. The thing that we have to remember is that we'll have to do this in a systematic way because we have been building tourism up. Suddenly COVID came, we lost 2 years, and 22 we are kind of getting back. But now I think it's very important for us to kind of do whatever we are doing in a systematic way, in a way that is sustainable, in a way that promotes what we call high value tourism, tourists who stay here, tourists who spend money here, tourists who are there for the local experience. So what I was telling people there is that let us create good experiences, let people stay here, let us charge more money. So we'll have to, it just can't be about charging more money. If you're charging more money, we should create a good experience. So we should have very well trained guides, we should be able to take care of them nicely, as our Honorable CM keeps saying, a wonderful smile, being able to talk to people, engage with people. So training goes a long way. So we will do all these things. We'll support the communities as we do. And we have a wonderful model of communitarian tourism and tourism driven by both cooperatives and individual entrepreneurs. So we'll continue to invest on these models. We'll continue to, from the government side, do big infrastructure, support smaller projects, support community-oriented projects, so that our dream of having Meghalaya as one of the best tourist destinations in the country, but where we give the best experience, but people also should be willing to pay for that experience. So that is how money comes into the economy. That is how livelihoods and lives are improved. So we work on that model. In fact, continuing from today, so today is the World Tourism Day. I think we are doing a Responsible Tourism Award.